Alright, so in this video I'm going to give you a walkthrough of how to set up the AutoZon Builder plugin. Now the first thing you need to do is download the plugin from below this video. Simply download that zip file. You can leave it exactly as it is. Then you'll come into WordPress, go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, and then you'll simply choose that zip file. So I chose the AutoZon Builder 2.zip, hit Install Now, and then the plugin will be installed, and then click on Activate Plugin. And once you do that, in your left-hand sidebar here, now you'll see the AutoZon Builder. So the first thing we need to do is go to our Amazon settings, and we will need to enter in our Amazon tracking ID, access key, and secret key. So this is kind of the crucial step where a lot of people may get this inputted wrong and then the plugin won't run. So I'm going to walk you through this. So to get your Amazon tracking ID, you simply need to log into your Amazon Associates account. So once you're inside your account, you can see your tracking IDs right here. So you can click Manage and just simply grab one of those tracking IDs. Then you'll come back here and enter that in. Let me enter mine in here. So I will just paste that in so we have our tracking ID. Then we need our access key and our secret key. So to get those, if we come back into our Amazon Associates account and we go to Product Advertising API, the first thing you'll need to do, let me slide this over here, is you need to sign up for the Product Advertising API. So click this button, go ahead and sign up for that. Now if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to come down here to Manage Account and create that account. But make sure after you create your account, you do come back and sign up for that. So to get our keys, we go to Manage Account, and then we can go to the AWS Security Credentials Council. So from here, if you do not have an account, you simply just enter an email address, say I'm a new user, you'll choose a password, and then sign up. If you already have an account, you can just simply sign in. And then you're going to want to go right here to access key and secret key, and it will give you those. Now, once you create a key, you cannot retrieve the secret key. So if you don't know your secret key, what you'll basically have to do is either create a new one, or if you already have two, you have to delete one because you can only have two at a time. So again, here's your access key, and then you also grab your secret key. If you don't know that, you need to create a new one or delete one and then create a new one. So let's enter those in. And then from there you choose your country, so whatever country you want to promote. Show images, yes or no. Insert a YouTube video. If you want the software to take the name of the product it creates a post for and grab a related video and insert that into the post, click yes. In most cases I always use that because it's a good additional content and user interaction and all of that. You can also choose your add to cart buttons. Choose any of these, and then again, if you need some more help getting your secret keys, we do have some more information down here. From there, just simply save your settings, and when it loads, it will tell you if your secret key is correct or not. So mine is valid. If yours is not valid, the first thing you want to do is make sure you don't have an extra space anywhere in the Amazon secret key. So I just like to go in there, go hit the end button or hit the home button, and you can see there's no extra spaces. If there was an extra space and I hit end, you can see I need to delete that extra space. Do that again on your secret key. Again, if they're not valid, what I would recommend is going back into your Amazon Associate account, sign up for the Product Advertising API. Even if it says you're already signed up, just click that button and then go create a new Amazon access key and secret key. It's kind of funny. Sometimes if you've created the key and then you sign up for the Product Advertising API, it will not work. So if it's not working, go ahead and create a fresh set of keys, and 99% of the time that will solve the issue. So once you have that set up, we simply come back here and go to Add Products, and then we can choose a keyword we want to promote. So I'll type in tent, hit process keyword, and what the software will do is go out and bring back 50 related Amazon products that you can then add to your site. So here it came back. If you want to add a product, you simply check this box. That's all you need to do. We have the option to schedule it. So if you're going to add, let's say, 20 products and you don't want those all to hit your site right now, you can actually start scheduling these into the future. So you could basically have a new one added each and every day. So you can do that if you want. You can schedule those. I will not, because I want to be able to show you the results right here. And then we can also choose our category. So I don't have any categories set up, but if I was doing tents, I would probably have a category for tents. And then later, if I had sleeping bags, I would make a category for sleeping bags. So I'm simply just going to check some of these. Once you have all those ready to go, come down to the bottom here and click on Add Posts. And the software will go out, grab all that information, and add those products to your site. So once that's done here, we can go ahead and view the site. And here is the site. So you can see it went and added those products to our site. If I click on one of these, we can go ahead and take a look here. It added all the content, added a related video. Our buy now buttons are here. Our customer reviews are here. Pretty much everything is set to go. Now you'll notice here we have an image and an image, because when the plugin runs, it takes the product image from Amazon and puts it in as a featured image. So if you're seeing double images, it's usually because featured images are showing on your single post. So if I come back here, I'm using the Awaken theme. We can take a look here. It's just called Awaken. I kind of like that for these type of sites. But if I come to the Awaken theme info and I customize the site, I can go to post page settings here, and you can see display featured image inside single post article. So if I get rid of that, and now I save and publish, and I come back here and refresh, it gets rid of that extra image. So that's a question a lot of people have. That's how you get rid of that image. Now, at any time, if you want to add more products to your site, you just simply come back to the AutoZone builder, hit add products, and I could do, sleeping bag if I'm doing a camping site. So again, I can add more products at any time. You can add as many products as you want. Once this loads, I can grab a couple of sleeping bags, add those. And again, I could future schedule those, change the category. But when those load up, if we go take a look at the site again, you'll see it went ahead and now added the additional products. So you can keep adding products, as many as you want. A couple other things, if we go to posts and we click on one, it's just like a regular post. You can go in and add your own content in here. So if you want to enter in your own personal review of the product or change some of the content, all of that can be done. All the other settings are in the custom fields. So if you're not seeing those, you can go to screen options and make sure custom fields are showing right there. And now if I scroll down, you can see this is where all the other information is entered in. So the price, the ASIN, your affiliate link, the images, all of that. Now, again, with these, the prices on here will update every 24 hours. That's required by Amazon. And we also have the little price disclaimer, which is also required by Amazon. So that is how you set up the plugin. Very, very easy to use. Again, the number one problem people will have is if they're not getting results when they try to import products, it's because there's an issue with their API key. So go ahead, hit that sign up for the product advertising API button again, and then create a fresh set of access keys and then enter those in, and 99% of the time that will solve the issue. The API IPs can be a little hit or miss sometimes. So that's how you set up the plugin. Go ahead, put it on your site, and start using it.